Namaste students. We are going to start with the next topic of complex numbers, that is conjugate of a complex number. Alright. Very easy topic. What is conjugate of a complex number? Let Z is equals to A plus iota B is a complex number. That you know it's a standard form where A and B always belongs to real numbers. That's a complex number. The conjugate of a complex number is denoted by Z bar. Is denoted by Z bar. Conjugate of a complex number is A minus iota B. A minus iota B. That means we change the sign of imaginary part. We change the sign of imaginary part. जो भी imaginary part का sign होगा that gets changed. That is called conjugate of a complex number. Alright. For example, if I have Z is equals to minus 2 plus 3 iota, conjugate is real part will not change. Real part will remain same. Minus 3 iota. Minus 2 minus 3 iota. Alright. If I have a complex number as 4 minus 7 by 3 iota, the conjugate of a complex number will be 4 plus 7 by 3 iota. Is it clear? So what is conjugate of a complex number? If complex number is A plus iota B, its conjugate is denoted by Z bar and it is written as A minus iota B. The sign of imaginary part changes. The sign of imaginary part changes. Is it clear? Let's pick up the properties of conjugate. Properties of a conjugate of a complex number. Number 1, if Z is a real, if Z is a real number, alright, if Z is a real number, definitely the conjugate of a complex number is going to be same. अगर हम किसका साइन चेंज करते हैं, इमेजिनरी पार्ट का साइन चेंज करते हैं. जब इमेजिनरी पार्ट ही होगा सपोज 4 प्लस 0 आयोटा, तो उसका कॉम्प्लेक्स उसका कॉन्जुगेट क्या आ जाएगा 4 प्लस 0 आयोटा. माइनस भी लिख दूंगी तो 0 पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. अगर वो एक रियल नंबर है तो उसका कॉन्जुगेट और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर दोनों आपस में क्या होते हैं, सेम. नंबर 2, if I take a double conjugate, the answer comes same. If I take a double conjugate, the answer comes same. अभी हमने एग्जाम्पल किया, सपोज 4 आयोटा, कॉन्जुगेट क्या है, इसका दोबारा कॉन्जुगेट ले लूं तो क्या बन जाएगा, तो आ गया Z के इक्वल. If I take a double conjugate, we come back to Z only. If I take a double conjugate, I come back to Z only. Is it clear? The third, first part. If Z and its conjugate is added, Z and its conjugate is added, क्या होगा, 3 plus 4 iota, 3 minus 4 iota. 4 iota minus 4 iota cancel, तो क्या आ जाएगा 3 plus 3 6. That means इसकी इक्वल आ जाएगा double of real part of complex number. If I add a complex number in its conjugate, it will be 2 into double of its complex number. Alright. Now if I subtract, what will happen? Subtract करो, ये minus ये plus, तो ये cancel हो जाएगा. 4 plus 4 to 8 iota. That means 2 double of imaginary part. ये बहुत handy properties है, कहीं भी MCQs में use कर सकते हो तुम लोग. अगर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर उसके कॉन्जुगेट को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए तो दैट्स ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू डबल ऑफ इट्स इमेजिनरी पार्ट. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इन इट्स कॉन्जुगेट, दैट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. दैट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल्स टू 0. अगर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को हम लोग उसके कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक कर लो. A plus B, A minus B, which is greater than 0. if I multiply a complex number with its conjugate, the product is always greater than equals to 0. Is it clear? Property 4. The first one. If I add two complex number and take their conjugate, या फिर दोनों का separate conjugate लेके दोनों को add कर दूं, answer is going to be same. We can verify with the examples. If I add two complex number, उनका तब conjugate लूं या दोनों को अलग-अलग conjugate लेके add करूं, answer is same. Similarly, I subtract and take conjugate, or I take conjugate and subtract, answer is same. Clear? Same goes for multiplication. मल्टीप्लाई करके किसी का कॉन्जुगेट लूं या फिर दोनों का अलग अलग कॉन्जुगेट लेकर मल्टीप्लाई करूं, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सेम. ऑलराइट, सेम गोज फॉर डिवीजन. डिवाइड करके कॉन्जुगेट लिया जाए या फिर सेपरेट कॉन्जुगेट लेके डिवाइड किया जाए, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सेम. z2 should not be equals to 0 because of denominator. I hope the properties of conjugate are clear to everyone. Alright, so these are very very handy properties which we can apply in MCQs, we can apply in our subjective questions to make the questions little easier and faster. Alright, the next topic in this will pick up the modulus of a complex number. Modulus of a complex number. Now what is modulus of a complex number? If z is a complex number, modulus we denoted by, guys, earlier also you know the modulus symbol of modulus is these two brackets. It is a positive real number which is found as k square plus square of real part plus square of imaginary part. Girls, do not take iota b का square because iota b का square means iota square भी हो जाएगा और iota square की value -1. As a sum of the squares of real and imaginary parts with under the root. Is it clear? This is called a modulus of a complex number. If I have a complex number, for example, so modulus of a complex number is imaginary part. Understood? So modulus of a conjugate in this complex number is under the root a square plus b square. Under the root a square plus b square. Clear to everyone? Alright, so very simple, under the root a square plus b square. Let's do the properties. The first one, the property 1. Property 1. If z is a complex number, if I multiply z and its conjugate, the answer is square of its modulus. Square of its modulus. Is it clear? Square of its modulus. याद है मैं conjugate वाला जो आपने video you have seen जो इसी video के अंदर 3 plus 4 आयोटा और उसका conjugate था 3 minus 4 आयोटा. जब मैं दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया क्या आया था 9 plus 16 25 ना, तो उसका मॉडुलस भी यही आएगा. याद है? पहले मॉडुलस निकाल लें, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें, आगे इसका स्क्वायर. So if I multiply, very important property, if I multiply a complex number with its conjugate, I get square of its modulus. I get square of its modulus. Is it clear? Alright, property 2. If modulus of a complex number is 0, it happens only the case of when z is 0. Modulus of a complex number is 0. It happens only the case of when z is 0. It's vice versa. If z 0, its modulus will be 0. If modulus 0, z will also be 0. Is this clear? Alright, the next. You take the modulus of a complex number, its conjugate and the complex number with a minus sign. All are equal. Is it clear? You take a modulus of a complex number, its conjugate, या फिर उसके negative sign के साथ ले लो, modulus same ही आने वाले. अभी हम Argand diagram एक आगे करेंगे. This is the length basically. एक point का origin से length. Is it clear? Fine. So it's going to be same. Complex number का modulus लो, उसके conjugate का modulus लो, और या फिर उसको minus करके. Because reason है, it is a square. Sum of the squares of real part and imaginary. और square में negative का फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं है. Negative negative it becomes positive. Is it clear? All right. The fourth one, it is if I multiply two complex numbers and take its modulus, or I take modulus separately and then multiply, the answer is same. If I multiply, अब conjugate में भी था ना ये rule, लेकिन उसमें addition subtraction में था, इसमें addition subtraction में होता नहीं है ये rule. Only in multiplication, if I multiply two complex numbers and take its conjugate, या फिर conjugate लेके दोनों को multiply किया जाए, answer is same. Same is applicable in division. If I divide and take modulus, या फिर separate modulus लेके उसको divide कर दिया जाए, answer is going to be same. Answer is going to be same. Is this clear? All right, clear to everyone? Fine. For addition, these things are different. In addition, Z1 plus Z2 modulus is these can come in MCQs, all these identities. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than equals to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Is it clear? This is called triangles inequalities. Triangle inequality. Z1 plus Z2 modulus is less than equals to, उनके अगर separate modulus लेके plus किया जाए तो ये वाली term हमेशा बड़ी होगी या equal हो सकती है किसी केस में. And subtraction में it's reverse. Z1 minus Z2 is greater than equals to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is greater than equals to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. Is this clear? All right. Next, if I take the square of it, if I take the square modulus of Z1 plus Z2 का whole square, modulus of Z1 and Z2 जो आगे पहले प्रॉपर्टीज की थी वो Z1 plus Z2 का whole square सिंपल था. अगर ये modulus of Z1 और Z2 को whole square किया जाए, it is Z1 whole square, modulus of Z1 whole square plus modulus of Z2 whole square plus 2 into real part of Z1 into modulus of Z2. ये गड़बड़ हो गया. Modulus of Z2 बहुत कम प्रॉपर्टीज यूज होती हैं. Z1 modulus of Z1 का whole square plus modulus of Z2 का whole square 2 into modulus of Z1 into Z2 conjugate. Is it clear? And if it is subtraction, minus 2 into real part of Z1 into Z2 conjugate. Is this clear? Alright, we all can prove these things. It can be proven by the formula of A plus B whole square. These all easily can be proven. In live classes, if you want, we will explain these things. And if I add these two, this will get cancelled. 2Z1 modulus of Z1 square plus 2 modulus of Z2 square. So 2 into clear. So these are all properties of modulus of a complex number. Clear. The first one, Z1 into conjugate of Z1 is this. This property, multiplication, division is simple, but addition, subtraction is different, and these three properties are little different. Alright, clear to everyone? Fine, now we'll pick up the examples of conjugate and a modulus of a complex number so that things become more clear to you all. Now, let's pick up the first example. In both the examples, we need to find out the conjugate and a modulus of the complex number. You need to find out the conjugate and the modulus of a complex number. First of all, wherever you have to find out, first of all, complex number should be in the simplified form, matlab in its standard form. So, I need to remove this. Under root में minus का मतलब it will minus will go out, it will become iota. एक iota already है, iota square, and under root 9 is 3. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1. So this is the complex number. Alright, now I need to take the conjugate of it. What is conjugate? I hope you all remember. The sign of imaginary part changes. The sign of imaginary part changes. So it will be minus 3. 5 iota क्या बन जाएगा? Minus 5 iota. Real part का कोई sign change नहीं करना. Do not touch that. Only the sign of imaginary part changes. Is it clear? I need to find out the modulus now. Under the root, square of real part plus square of imaginary part. गलती से भी बच्चों, you do not have to take iota with it. Is it clear? Square of real part plus square of imaginary part. बहुत बच्चे गलती करते हैं और तुम में से भी कोई करेगा. Alright, real part and imaginary part. Clear? So that is my conjugate and this is modulus. Now same here, but now first of all again the same condition, it should be in the standard form. So what shall I do? Shall I rationalize it? Let's see what we'll get. Whenever you have up and down same kind of things, rationalization always works. Clear? See up what we are getting. A plus B, A plus B. A plus B whole square, तो क्या बनेगा? A square plus B square plus 2AB. And what do I get in the denominator? A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. What is that? A square minus B square. Alright, so solve it. 10. I can multiply both the under roots because rule is there. Under root A into under root B is under root AB. So multiply inside A plus B, A minus B. Here also open the bracket. Plus 2, that is 25. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1, so this will become plus. That is 169. 169 under root is 13. 13 into 2, 26. That is 3 by 2 iota. Again problem. I told you iota should not be in the denominator. तो मुझे iota remove करना है यहाँ से. My complex number, if I name it as z only, my complex number has become 3 by 2 iota. अब iota हटाओ. अब जब single iota हो तो उसी से multiply divide. If you have a single iota, multiply and divide by it. 2 iota square की value -1. So this is my complex number. अब real part नहीं है तो real part की जगह पर I can write it 0. So first of all find conjugate. Conjugate means change the sign of imaginary part. So it will be 3 by 2 iota. Modulus means sum of the squares of real part, imaginary part under the root. 0 का square 0 minus 3 by 2 का square 9 by 4. So that's my conjugate and then modulus. So very easy topic, but children, what do you have to keep in mind? कोई भी चीज निकालने से पहले आगे हम लोग अदर विल फाइंड आउट द आर्गन प्लेन, विल फाइंड आउट द पोलर फॉर्म. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर शुड बी इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. वो सबसे पहला स्टेप है. सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म बोल लो, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बोल लो, a प्लस आयोटा बी की फॉर्म में बोल लो. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर शुड बी इन अ प्रॉपर फॉर्म, then only you will be able to solve anything further in complex numbers. All right. Now look at the third example. Find real values of x and y for which this is conjugate of this number. What is given? Given that x minus iota y into 3 plus 5 iota is conjugate of this. इसका मतलब अगर इसका conjugate लिया जाए तो ये आंसर है. is conjugate. इसका मतलब इसका conjugate this is given. I need to find out the values of x and y. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, गलती कर देते हैं कई बार, यहाँ conjugate ले लेते हैं. ये आंसर है. इसका मतलब अगर उसका conjugate लिया जाए तो this comes. Clear? Now I'll solve it. Simple two brackets to be multiplied. Sign of imaginary part changes. That's it. What is iota square? -1. तो बन जाएगा +5. That's become a real part. Imaginary part ये रहा. Clear? So now two complex numbers are equal, then the real parts have to be equal to real, imaginary have to be equal to imaginary. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. Compare real part with real, imaginary with imaginary, and then we are going to solve these two equations for the values of x and y. That you know how to solve it. Solve these two simultaneously. That would be the answer. That I need not to tell you how to solve it. You can solve it by elimination method, substitution method, whatever you have done in class 10, you can solve by that method. I hope it's clear to everyone. This is conjugate of this. इसका मतलब इसका conjugate निकालने पर ये आंसर आता है. I hope it's clear to everyone. Let's pick up the next one. It says if z1 and z2 are two complex numbers, z1 is this, z2 is this, we need to find out modulus of z1 plus z2 plus 1 upon z1 minus z2 plus 1. I need to find out the modulus of this. मॉडुलस तो सिंपल, वी नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. मेरा पर्पस है पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं अंदर वाले को, उसके बाद आई फाइंड आउट मॉडुलस. या एक और रूल था अगर तुम्हें याद हो, वी हैव डन द रूल, याद है? z1 अगर मैं इसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मानूं, इसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मानूं, तो अल्टीमेटली इफ आई हैव z1 अपॉन z2 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, इसको मॉडुलस निकालना है तो आई कैन सॉल्व इट लाइक दिस आल्सो. दैट्स आल्सो अ वे. कर सकते हैं. इसका मतलब इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? दोनों का अलग अलग कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉडुलस निकाल के we will divide. I will apply that rule. Remember, that's why we have done properties, to use it in the questions and to make it easier. Nothing else. So पहले जो कैलकुलेट करना है वो करते हैं. पहले मुझे चाहिए z1 प्लस z2 प्लस 1. इसका क्या चाहिए मॉडुलस, बाद में निकाल लेंगे. z1 माइनस z2 प्लस 1. कैंसिल. Clear? Now what I need to find out, That means modulus of this. Find the modulus. Modulus of 4 will be remaining 4 only because that's just a real number. Alright. Clear? We did now. If it is a real number, the modulus of z is going to be z. And here, root 2. Clear to everyone? Any doubt anyone has? So we can apply the property anywhere, wherever we want to solve. Alright? Any doubt till here anyone has? Clear? Let's just pick up the last example, then we will wind it up. Suppose I need to find out say the conjugate of this is example 5. Suppose I need to find out the conjugate or the modulus of Alright, so what is the first step? See, I am going to apply the property. Suppose I need to find out the conjugate first of all. Clear? What is the rule of conjugate? And multiplication also the same rule. So I'm going to apply that. I need to find the conjugate. So first of all, separate. Numerator का conjugate अलग, denominator का conjugate separate. Now in multiplication that rule is applicable. Very clear. Now you know how to find out conjugate. Sign of imaginary part changes. Now you multiply and solve it. Is it clear? Basically this question was for modulus. So this way, after simplifying, we can find out the conjugate also. Suppose the question basically was to find out the modulus. Now in modulus also, what is the rule? We know that and multiplication also. So in whole modulus I need to find out. I can write the modulus separately. Then in multiplication the modulus will come separate. Find the modulus. That's it. This is cancel because 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9. This is also becoming 40. This is becoming 41 under root. This is becoming 685. Is it clear? And then we can write it. So under root 41 by 85. Clear? So प्रॉपर्टी मेक, अदरवाइज अगर मुझे इसका मॉडुलस डायरेक्टली ऐसे बिना प्रॉपर्टी किए निकाल दे तो पहले मल्टीप्लाई फिर रैशनलाइज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आता, आफ्टर दैट वी वुड हैव फाउंड इट। इफ आई रिमेंबर द प्रॉपर्टीज, z1 upon z2 modulus, z1 modulus upon z2 modulus, then z1 into z2 modulus, z1 modulus, z2 modulus. Similarly here separately we have found the modulus and questions are done. Is it clear? So this was all about your modulus and the conjugate of a complex number.